In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch back to light mode in Reddit. If you've been using dark mode and you find it hard to read or you just prefer a brighter look, changing it back is quick and easy. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Reddit and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Reddit page, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that might show your avatar or a generic profile image. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to your account. What you're looking for here is the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. This will take you to a page where you can control many aspects of how Reddit looks and behaves for you. On the settings page, find and click on the section labeled preferences. Depending on your device or any recent Reddit updates, this might appear as a tab or a link, but it will be clearly marked as preferences. This is where Reddit lets you customize your overall experience, including how the interface appears. Inside preferences, look for an option called display mode. The display mode setting is where Reddit groups all its appearance-related options, such as dark mode and light mode. Click on display mode to open the available choices. Now you should see different theme options including light mode and dark mode. To switch back to a bright, classic look, simply click on light. As soon as you select light, Reddit should automatically update the appearance of the site. The background will become lighter, and text and elements will adjust to match the new theme. Take a moment to scroll around and make sure everything looks comfortable for you. If the change doesn't seem to apply right away, try refreshing the page so the new setting can fully load. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're all set. You've successfully switched Reddit back to light mode.